slideshow. Thank you, ma'am. My topic for today's talk is Charles Bonnet syndrome and financial. The history dates back to 1760, first described by Charles Bonnet in 1760. In 1967, French Swiss neurologist Georges de Montpensier coined the term Charles Bonnet syndrome in Bonnet's honor. And Charles Bonnet syndrome was first introduced in psychiatry in 1982. And there was a they believed that the visual hallucinations are often type persistent and repetitive in nature, and it is reported incidence of non-reporting of this disorder is the greatest hindrance to determining the exact prevalence. In our Indian scenario, we also do not know what is the prevalence of the disease, and this is a flow chart for Charles Bonnet syndrome. And the highly unreported and often misdiagnosed condition affect how the brain processes visual information, which causes people to see things that aren't real. The studies show as little as 1% of sufferers admit to have experiencing the hallucinations, and it was first reported 250 years back by naturalist Charles Bonnet. And hallucination can last for seconds to a day. Hallucination example, they are simple or complex hallucinations, and complex example complex of complex hallucination, room morphing into a war zone. And simple hallucination is like seeing animals and tiger, like a tiger or some other animals also. And simple hallucination is Lilliputian size people in Tyrolean costume, and complex hallucination is sinister figure in the house. And simple hallucinations may be observed in terms of the children playing in the park, and there may be some more the animals in the ground and like that. And there is a very less reported number of patients of this Charles Bonnet syndrome. And like that, the world the prevalence around the world is ranging from 1 to 40%, and it is very high prevalence, but list noted by us, because the hallucination syndrome is now not discussed by the clinicians also. Without visual, the mechanism of the visual hallucination is without visual data coming in through the eyes, the brain one second brain fills the void and makes up images or recalls the stored images for you to see, and that is what causes the visual hallucinations of Charles Bonnet syndrome. CBS predominantly affect people with visual impairment due to age-related macular degeneration, glaucoma, or diabetic retinopathy, or the damages to the eye or optic pathway. Their visual system doesn't process new image. In particular, central vision loss due to the conditions such as macular degeneration combined with peripheral vision loss from glaucoma, bilateral optic nerve damage due to methyl alcohol poisoning may predispose to Charles Bonnet syndrome. Although most people with such deficit do not develop the syndrome. Symptoms. The main symptom of Charles Bonnet syndrome is having visual hallucinations. Most people have them when they wake up. It is must that the eyes are open. Dots are the geometric shapes, landscapes such as mountains, waterfalls, people, animal, or insect. People dressed in costumes from an earlier time, imaginary creatures like dragons. The hallucination may move or remain still. They can appear in black and white or color. The length of hallucination can last seconds, minutes, or hours. There is no special test to find out if the patient is having Charles Bonnet syndrome. The doctor will talk to patient about the medical history, try to rule out any other source of visual hallucinations, including mental health problems like schizophrenia, dementia, or Parkinson's disease. Whether you take certain medications like LSD or something. Charles Bonnet syndrome should receive basic laboratory tests such as a metabolic panel and complete blood count, along with a neuroimaging, typically with CT without contrast, or functional MRI could be considered. This is a very interesting the slide of functional MRI in the Charles-Bonnet syndrome.
Sir, please conclude your
You
presentation.
can see the area.
Your 4 minutes are over,
hyperactive.
doctor.
Okay, ma'am. There is no cure or effective treatment, but there is only you have to reassure the patient that he is not a crazy and he do not. It is going to disappear after 2 years of timing. This doesn't last for lifetime, and you can change the environment. Hallucination happen more in dim lighting or brightly lit room. Change the lighting condition may reduce hallucination. And patient can distract move their eyes from away from the hallucination, look away from the hallucination, stare at the hallucination, close your eyes, then open them, rest and relaxation, reduce anxiety, and interrupting vision for the short time by closing the eyes, blinking is something helpful. And over the time, more you see the hallucination.
I think, sir, you'll have to finish it up because we have a lot of.
Doctor, kindly conclude.
Yeah, I'll just finish it up. CVS tend to appear weeks or months after patients start experiencing worsening of vision, and there is no definite test to diagnose CBS. It is the properly taken history which gives you insight into the problem, and condition require reassurance, change in lifestyle. In most cases, hallucination slows down considerably or stops after 1 or 2 years. Now we have latest the stimulation of cortical areas to dampen down the cortical.
Dr. Naredi, we need to cut you short.